Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. This is for class 5, board CBSE, subject EVS and the topic materials and their properties. The learning objective of this topic is matter, properties of matter, the three states of matter: solid, liquids and gases, and changes of matter. Materials and their properties. We see many things around us. Everything we see around us is made up of material. It is a substance in which everything is composed of metal, glass, plastics, fabrics, concrete, wood, ceramic and rubber. Each material is made up of matter. What's the matter? Matter is a physical substance that occupies space and has some weight. Next, matter is classified into three different states. They are solids, liquids and gases. Example for solids: books, box, pen, wooden box, etc. Then liquid. Examples for liquid: milk, water, juices are examples for liquid. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium are examples for gases. Matter exists in any one of these three states. We can see the properties of matter. Different types of matters are identified to their different properties. Each material has its own property. We can distinguish different materials on the basis of looks, feel, smell, taste, density, solubility and color. Look. We recognize something by looking at it. We recognize something by looking at it. We notice the size, shape, appearance and features of the things. Feel. When you touch something, you feel different. Some materials are hard, some are rough and some are smooth and some are soft. When you touch a chair, you feel it is hard. At the same time, when you touch the bark of a tree, you feel it is rough. It has uneven surface. At the same time, when you touch the surface of an apple, you feel it is smooth. The cotton, cloth and the talcum powder are very soft. Next, smell. Smell a flower, petrol, perfumes. Do they have same smell? No, they have different smell. With the help of the smell, we can distinguish different materials. Next, colors. We see many materials around us and we can identify according to their colors. See, color pencil. By seeing the color, we can distinguish different colors. These are mangoes. By seeing the color, we can identify whether it is a ripe mango or a raw mango. These two vegetables are of same shape but of different colors. By seeing the color, we can identify this orange color is an carrot and white is an radish. Next, we can see about taste. We taste so many things and recognize according to their taste. Sugar is sweet, lemon is sour, and salty and so on. Next, we can see about the density. Many times we see the materials of same size have different weight. Do you think why? It is because of density of a material. The molecules in which, if they are mostly densely packed, then they have more weight. For example, if you take a block of wood and an iron piece, they would weight differently. Next we can see about the solubility. Solubility describes how well a substance dissolves in water. Some substances dissolve in water while some do not dissolve in water. With an activity, we can measure the solubility of different substances. Now take beakers of beaker, and this is a glass rod and this is a spoon, salt, sand, pieces of wood and sugar. Now add a spoonful of salt. Next, sand. Add water. Here add spoonful of sugar. Now with the help of a glass rod, stir it well. We can see that sugar and salt dissolve in water and sand and wood do not dissolve in water. materials that dissolve in water are called soluble substance, and the material that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Next we can see the composition of matter. Composition of matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. A molecule is a group of atoms bonded together. What is an atom? Atom is a minuscule that cannot be seen with our naked eye. Naked eye means with our eyes. What is minuscule? It is extremely small. The meaning of minuscule is extremely small. Next we can see about the three states of matters. The three states of matters are solids, liquids and gases. The molecules, arrangement of molecules. We can see about the solid. In solid, the atoms are packed together tightly. Solids can hold their shape at room temperature. If you keep a book or a pen or a pencil on a table, and if you see on the next day, it will be of same size and shape. From this, we know that solids can hold their shapes at room temperature. Solids have fixed shape, size and weight. For example, metals, glass, plastics, fabrics, etc. Next we can see about liquids. In liquids, the atoms are loosely packed. They can move freely. The atoms can move freely, and the liquids do not have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. They are poured in. Liquids have fixed weight and shape. They can pour from one container to another container. We cannot hand over the liquid in our hand to others. Gases. In gases, the atoms are loosely packed. The intermolecular space between the atom is much more. Gases neither have shape nor fixed volume. Gases can be compressed in a small place, in a small space. For example, we can fill air in a balloon. We can compress the cooking gas into a cylinder. It is called as LPG gas. The abbreviation for LPG gas is liquefied petroleum gas. Gases have weight. It is easier to carry an empty cylinder than the full one. Next, we can see about the changes of matter. changes of matter. Matter can move from one state to another. It can change from solid to liquid and from liquid to gaseous state. See here, the solid ice is changed into liquid. At the same time, when water is heated, it changes into water vapor, that is in the gaseous form. Next, the matter can change their state when the motion of the atom is altered by pressure or temperature. Water on heating it changes into water vapor. And water on cooling it changes to ice. Now, ice is in the solid state, water is in the liquid state, and water vapor, that is steam, is in the gaseous state. So, on heating it changes into water vapor, that is in the gaseous form, and water on cooling it changes to solid ice, it is in the solid form. Next, pressure. Pressure also changes the states of matter. Soft clay can be modeled into different objects when we apply pressure. Now we can summarize what we have learnt. All matter occupies space and has weight. Next, we can distinguish different matters on the basis of look, feel, smell, taste, density and colors. Matter is composed of atoms which cannot be seen with our naked eye. Everything around us is made up of matter. Matter is found in three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Heat and pressure can change the physical shape of an material. Thank you. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive our latest update. Thank you.